I lay down every need for praise for human eyes to see. My worth is found in Christ alone, who sets my spirit free. The weight of others' hopes and dreams I place before His throne. My needs are sacred, honored now, the Lord God calls my own. Though guilt has gripped my knee with pain from memories in my past, I choose to stand in truth and grace, Christ's kingdom first and last. Through Jesus' sacrifice I'm cleansed, no condemnation stays. Anchored in Him I will find my rest, my soul sing throughout my days. I yield to God what is not mine, the burdens I have carried. His Spirit purifies my soul, a vessel no longer buried. The pattern of my cells is changed, renewed by the living Word. I walk a new creation now, to righteousness I'm stirred. My liver flows with living peace, no bitterness remains. God's river washes through my frame and washes out the stains. My muscles learn a holy way, no need for man's applause. I find my worth in Jesus' love, the author and the cause. The frequencies of need dissolve, my knees are strong and true. I stand in truth, I vow no more to what the world may do. I am a child of God Most High, for good works I am made. No shifting voice can steal my peace, in Christ I am arrayed. Each cell releases what has passed, I'm purified by His grace. Transformed in light, complete in faith, I'll see my Savior's face. I fear no dread disease, no scorn from those who would have me doubt. My body is a sacred work, He heals and I'll be devout. In storms of life, Christ is my rock, my anchor and my calm. I meditate upon His word, my spirit finds its balm. I'm strong in Him, His might is mine, He supplies every need.